Good day everyone, my name is Jervy P. Panyagua, base IT3A. Today, I will be presenting our Laravel-based academic research repository system. This system allows students and researchers to submit, manage, and browse research papers online. It was built using Laravel 10, Bootstrap 5, and MySQL. Users can register as guest or a researcher. Guests can only browse papers, while researchers can submit their own papers. The registration form includes validation to ensure all fields are properly filled. Once logged in as a researcher, the user can submit a research paper by filling in the title, categories of the research, abstract, and the keywords of the research. And also the authors. And you can also upload the PDF file of the research paper, and the system validates all input before saving. After submission, the paper goes into a pending status waiting for admin approval. The admin panel is only accessible to users with admin role. It shows a full dashboard with statistics. The admin can manage papers. The admin can approve or reject submitted papers. When rejecting, the admin must provide a reason which will be shown to the researcher. Once approved, the paper becomes visible to the public on the browse page. Because we rejected the paper, this will be displayed in the admin dashboard. Now we will be explaining the code. This code follows Laravel MVC architecture. We have clean models with eloquent relationships, resource controllers from validating using Laravel's built-in validation and role-based access control to protect admin routes. We also use Git to track our changes throughout the development. This is the model paper. Our paper model with eloquent relationship. And this is the app controller. The controller handles submission, validation, and file upload. And this is the database migration. Our migration defines the database structure. For security, we implemented Laravel's built-in CSRF protection on all forms. Authentication middleware to protect routes. Role-based access controls only admin can access the admin panel. File validation that only accepts PDF files and eloquent ORM, which prevent SQL injection by default. To summarize, our research repository system is a fully functional Laravel application with user authentication, role management, paper submission, workflow admin and approval system, and a clean responsive UI. Thank you for watching.